Oh. Looking out at a world gone mad, all hope's lost, yeah, I'm feeling bad. Wondering what chance we ever had. It's time for me to stand. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. DC's pure criminality make us see what they want us to see. We labor all our lives for them, can never be what we want it to be. Their counterfeit paper's gone all wrong, but they're still singing the same old song. Trust us, you can trust the plan. Leave it all in your master's hand. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. We've had enough, won't take no more. We the people know the score. Grand Jury and Militia are the open door to restoring liberty. The people have all authority. The Constitution's real, you see. The highest law in this blessed land, alive again in the people's hands. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. Tactical Civics, a new way of life. Our duty cuts just like a knife. Raising up men in Christ, you see, just the way we used to be. Bring Congress home, put them under the law. No more raping the people raw. No more lying about everything. Together we the people now play the king. Time for us to stand, stand, stand. Time for you to be a man. Stand.